This video would teach you the numbers 1 to a million. Some of them will be reviews, some will be new. Please do repeat after me with all the numbers, especially the ones that are new to you or ones that you tend to forget. You're also welcome to pause the video and write down the way the numbers are spelled, or they're also found in your textbook. У меня 1 рубль. У меня 2 рубля. 2. У меня 5 рублей. 5. У меня 10 рублей. 10. У меня 20 рублей. 20. У меня 30 рублей. 30. У меня 40 рублей. 40. У меня 50 рублей. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. У меня 100 рублей. 100. У меня 200 рублей. 200. У меня 300 рублей. 300. У меня 400 рублей. 400. У меня 500 рублей. 500. 600. 700. 800. 900. Take this short quiz. У меня 1000 рублей. 1000. 2000. 3000. 4000. 5000. 6000. 7000. 8000. 9000. 10000. Take a short quiz. 20000. 30000. 40000. 50000. 51000. 52000. 53000. 54000. 55000. 100000. 200000. 300000. 400000. Миллион рублей. A few little tips. There's only one myaky znak per word in the numbers. Before 40, they tend to come at the end. And after 40, they tend to be in the middle. Notice that punctuation in Russian is done different. Decimal point is normally given as a comma, and when we put a comma in between thousands, Russians usually just leave a space. Remember that two can be dva or dvie. Dva masculine neuter, dvie feminine. And of course, one also has numbers according to gender. Один, одно, одна, and even одни. 1000, 2, 3, 4 тысячи, 5000. Notice that the numbers have a lot of vowel reduction. The unstressed vowels start to sound different. So o will sound more like a or Ya and ye when unstressed will sound more like e. So listen to a few examples of this. 50. It's stressed on the last syllable. So the first two here sound more like e. 50. Same here. 60. 70. Here it's stressed on the first syllable, so these two start sounding more like e. 70. This 500, it's stressed on the o here, so this one sounds more like e. 500. 900. 1000. 3000. And notice that Russians will say these high numbers so often because the money tends to be in high numbers. It used to be much worse than it is now. When I was in Russia in the 90s, 100,000 rubles was under $20. It's much different from that now, but still the numbers tend to be higher than what we're used to. So Russians pronounce these high numbers very often, and so they'll oftentimes kind of abbreviate them and just mumble through them because they assume that you'll understand. So тысяча is often kind of abbreviated to тысяча. 3000 will sound more like 3000. They'll almost get rid of this middle syllable, and the numbers will be kind of mumbled over too. So it's a good idea to practice listening to the numbers as much as possible. Try this quiz. И, наконец, если у вас есть вопрос, пожалуйста, напишите. Спасибо.